Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove these mirror caps, and then we're going to install some M-style mirror caps. That way it gives your BMW a sportier look. And then I'm going to show you how to remove the factory chrome grille, and then we're going to install a gloss black one. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be prying very carefully on the outside here. I've seen some people do the method of pulling in or removing this glass mirror. Maybe that's different with the X7. So we're going to start on this front corner here. I have the mirror folded in, makes it a little easier. And actually pull back on it a little bit. And you can see right here it's starting to separate a little bit. So I'm going to stick my little pry tool in here and let it work its way around. It's going to sound a little violent. You can see it's starting to come out a little bit. And I do want to save these just in case I want to use them later. So I get the top out. Last piece is this corner piece. And just like that, it is removed. Looks like this one did get a little bit bent. So if we use these again, a little bit of plastic weld will be needed. So now we can get our new one, remove it from its cover. You can see here's the inside of the new one, and it's got all the same snaps and connections. So you can just start by slowly sneaking it in there. Now what I'm checking for is making sure this groove is lined in here, and same on the other side, make sure it's all lined up nicely. This groove right here goes inside there. Once you know it is, just work its way snapped into place. Just like that, your mirror cap is installed. Make sure there's no gap around here. Make sure there's no gap right here, that this piece is low enough. There will be a little gap right here that is just like the stock mirror. See that same gap right here on the stock mirror. These mirrors definitely look good. A lot more sporty, definitely a better look. Next we'll need to change the chrome grille. Oh yeah, definitely happy though. I will share the link on Amazon. Just make sure you're not getting cheap ones like this. This was the cheap one that I got. Make sure you get from the correct seller when you're buying on Amazon. See the edges aren't finished over there. This is the inside of the better one. You can see that groove there. Very professionally made. And these were still really cheap on Amazon, so make sure you get from the right seller. I will post the link to the exact ones that I got, and I will name the seller. That way you don't get the wrong ones from the same link, because you can buy from the same link from a different seller, and that's what happened to me. So let's go put this on the other side. And now it's time to remove the front chrome grille, and we'll install the gloss black one. I'm using this plastic pry tool, that way I don't scratch up any of the plastic. And you can start with the clips on the top, work your way around, and you can push them in while pulling gently outward with the grille. And then you can gently remove the whole grille from the front bumper. And make sure you're extra careful if you have the front camera. I was able to carefully pry back on these 3 prongs to remove the camera. And then you can install this onto the new grille. Take note, the plug for the camera does aim downward. So now we're going to clean the front bumper before installing the grille. And here I'm gonna dry off the plug and I'm gonna add a little bit of dielectric grease. And now it's time to install your new grill. Don't forget to plug in your camera, and when you're installing this grill, you're gonna wanna start with the bottom of the grill, and then you're gonna start with one edge here, and then you're gonna do the same on the other side, and you can slowly work in all the clips. And just like that, your black grill is installed, and your Msport mirror caps are installed.